Pawn shop owner Arthur Vance bought an old broken Cuckoo clock at an estate sale. The clock looked beautiful but didn't work, so Arthur decided to restore it in his workshop. Later that night, he opened the back of the clock and started fixing the tiny gears. While checking inside the wooden frame, he noticed something unusual hidden deep inside. It was a small leather pouch. Curious, Arthur carefully opened it and found an old brass key with a strange symbol engraved on it. The key looked very old, and Arthur suspected it might belong to a safety deposit box. The next day, he visited several historic banks in the city. Finally, at City Trust Bank, a manager recognized the symbol. It belonged to a bank that had closed many years ago. They took Arthur to an underground archive where old safety deposit boxes were kept. After checking the records, they found the box that matched the key. Arthur slowly turned the key and opened the drawer. The moment he saw what was inside, he froze. He immediately realized he had to contact the family who sold him the clock right away. Like, if you want part 2.